Hey, how you doing? Stu Sterling here from Japan. Thanks for tuning in. So today I want to tell you about the two fastest ways to create a lead magnet or a bonus product. Now, if you're building a list, you need a lead magnet to give away. And if you are selling things as an affiliate, adding a bonus product as an incentive and a reward to your customer for buying the product through your link, it's a great way to increase your conversions. So those two things, a lead magnet and bonus products, are really powerful marketing tools. But how do you create them? Well, you've got two options really. You can use PLR products or you can use rebrandable products. Now they're very similar, but PLR, with PLR you can rebrand the whole product, you can edit the content, you can change the name of it, you can really make it yours. But it does take a little bit of time to do all that. Now with rebrandable products, usually the product is already done for you. You just go to the rebranding page, you put in your affiliate link, click a button, and the product is done. It's got your affiliate link inside, so when people go and click on the links in the PDF or whatever it is, you get a commission when someone buys. And about 10 years ago I really got started building a list, and it was how I made some good commissions way back when, by using rebrandable products. So if you want a resource where there are tons and tons of rebrandable products, then you might just like this one that my friend told me about, and he's got 100 and more rebrandable products and he's always adding more to it, and you can get membership to it for a very reasonable price. So let's go and have a look at that one now. So here we are. This is called everythingrebrandable.com. So as the name of the website suggests, everything here is rebrandable. Basically this is the sales page, but let me take you in the members area and show you everything that's in there and all these things that are rebrandable. So these are products that are ready to go, ready to rebrand with your affiliate links, and you can use them to give away to build a list, or you can use them as bonus products to sell more affiliate products. So they've got a whole bunch of things in here. You can search by category. So if you want to build a list of people interested in general make money online, then you've got all these different reports here, these PDFs that you can go and rebrand and give away. So there's just a heap of cool products that you can rebrand in here. But the other cool thing about this membership is that they also give you a squeeze page making tool. Okay, so it's pretty much fill in the blanks, go through the steps, and at the end out pops a squeeze page template that you can upload to your website. And they've also got a download page maker, which is much the same kind of thing. Okay, you just fill in the blanks, okay, and you get a download page. So it's really straightforward. What you see is what you get. There are over 100 different rebrandable products that you can download and use right away, and they're adding more all the time. So this is a resource that I highly recommend if you are into list building and into affiliate marketing. This is for the make money online niche. So if you're in that niche and you're looking for stuff to give away to your list as bonuses or other lead magnets to build new lists, then this is a really cool resource that will save you time. So check out Everything Rebrandable. There's a link that goes to the sales page below this video. I think you'll really like it if you're into this kind of stuff. It's very powerful when you use the lead magnets to build a list and some bonuses to give away as incentives for affiliate marketing. So all the best, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in another video. This is Stu Sterling signing off.